The combination of prawns, oats, chili, and butter is heavenly delicious. This dish is effortless and easy to prepare at home. Let's start trimming the prawns. I'm going to cut the whiskers and the legs. Now I'm going to devein the shrimps, but I'm going to keep the skin on because it's a wonderful flavor booster. It has a depth of flavor that is delicious, toasty, and briny. So I'm just going to get a scissor. I'm going to start from this part. So I'm going to cut the shell without touching the skin. So you really have to do this very slowly and carefully so that you will not break the shells of the prawns. And make sure when you cut the shell, you don't go all the way to the end. And you cut a slit along the back of the prawn. For the next step, I'm going to dip the prawns in the egg and coat it with flour. Coating the prawns with flour will help our shells crispier. Okay, all prawns are coated with flour. I'm just going to wash my hands. Let's start cooking our cereal prawns, and I'm going to use big frying pan. Add the oil. Turn on to medium heat. When your oil is already smoking hot, it's time to add the prawns. I'm going to put the half first, and don't overcrowd your pan so that it's easier to cook the prawns. Now for this size, it will take about 2 minutes on each side. Season the prawns with salt. And pepper. Okay. Transfer the cooked prawns to a plate. Okay, the prawns are already cooked. I'm going to turn up the heat. Okay. I'm I'm going to use the same frying pan, but I'm going to lessen the oil. I'm going to leave about a tablespoon of oil. Turn on the heat again. Add a fresh oil, about a tablespoon. Okay. Going to add the butter. Okay. Time to add garlic. Then you saute it for about a minute. Okay, now for the traditional cereal prawns, they add Nestum cereal. But since I'm here in the Philippines and it's very hard to find Nestum cereal, so I made an alternative ingredient for that. So I have an oatmeal here. I'm going to add it to the pan. And since Nestum cereal has a bit of sweetness flavor, I'm going to mix my oatmeal with a little bit of milk powder. I'm very happy with this combination because it will give my cereal prawns a very nice sweet flavor. So I'm just toasting the oatmeal. Okay, I'm gonna add more butter. And a little bit of oil. Season the oatmeal mixture with salt. Give it a good stir. Okay, once the oatmeal has been toasted, I'm going to add kaffir lime leaves. Now, again, the traditional cereal prawns has curry leaves. And since I can't find curry leaves here in my country, kaffir is a great alternative because they have the same delicious, wonderful aroma. So you don't need that much because it has a very, very strong flavor. So I'm just adding probably like about 5 pieces. Okay. I'm gonna add red chili. Okay. Now time to add the prawns. And then you mix everything together until the prawns is well coated with the oatmeal. Now, if you don't want your cereal prawn spicy, you have the option not to add the red chili.